If you want to connect AI tools with Zapier using MCP, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're setting up an AI agent, trying to automate workflows, or just want to understand how Zapier MCP works, this guide will make it simple. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Zapier in your browser and go to your Zapier homepage. Once you're in, look for the MCP Servers section. This is where Zapier lets you connect supported AI agents through MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, MCP helps AI tools talk to external apps and services in a structured way, so they can trigger actions and use workflows more easily. After you click on MCP Servers, you'll see a list of available AI agents or supported options. Go ahead and select the AI agent you want to use. This is an important step because the code or connection instructions Zapier generates will depend on the specific AI platform you choose. So take a moment to pick the right one for your workflow. Once you select your AI agent, Zapier will generate a code snippet or setup configuration for you. This is the part you'll copy and use inside the AI tool you selected. In many cases, this code is what links the AI agent to Zapier's MCP server, allowing the two systems to communicate. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown, because even a small mistake can cause the integration to fail. Now open the AI tool or platform you selected and paste in the MCP setup information from Zapier. Follow the prompts inside that AI tool to complete the connection. Depending on the platform, you may need to authenticate, approve permissions, or confirm that you want the agent to use Zapier actions. Once everything is connected, your AI agent should be ready to work with Zapier through MCP. At this point, the setup is basically complete. You can now use the AI agent to interact with apps and trigger automations through Zapier. This can be especially useful for tasks like creating workflows, sending messages, organizing data, or connecting your favorite tools without manually switching between apps. The best part is that once you understand this process, it becomes very quick to set up future agents or repeat the same method for other AI tools. So if your goal is to streamline automation and make your AI more useful, Zapier MCP is a great place to start. And that's it. You've now seen how to use Zapier MCP in just a few simple steps. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.